Welcome back to Sharmalan Chess lovers. Today we uncover a brutal trap in the Alekhine Defense, a game from 1932 where white punishes black's careless knight moves and forces a resignation in just 8 moves. Let's break down this miniature masterpiece, move by move. The game begins with first move to white e4, then black replies with knight f6, the Alekhine Defense. Black invites white to overextend the center. A provocative and hyper-modern strategy. Second move to e5. White pushes forward, attacking the knight. Black retreats it to knight d5, a common square to maintain central tension. Now, third move to white grabs space with c4, kicking the knight again. Third move to black's knight moves to b6, it's already moved twice in the first 3 moves. Not ideal development. Fourth move to white builds a strong central pawn structure. Fourth move to black brings out another knight, knight c6, trying to fight back for the center. But white is ahead space and tempo. Fifth move to white pushes again with d5, attacking the knight on c6. Fifth move to black greedily captures the e5 pawn. But now things get dangerous. Sixth move to boom. White strikes with c5. A beautiful move, it hits the knight and opens up the position. Sixth move to black retreats again with the knight to c4. Now both black knights are oddly placed and disconnected from the rest of their pieces. Seventh move to white kicks again with f4, challenging the knight on e5. Seventh move to black plays knight g6, trying to stay active, but now it's all over. And eighth move to white calmly captures the knight with bishop cross c4. Black realizes there's no way out. Both knights are gone, development is crushed, and white has a massive lead. Black resigns. What a brutal miniature. One wrong move in the opening and it's game over. That's why piece development and center control are so critical. If you enjoyed this trap, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite chess trap. More deadly openings coming up next. Thanks for watching.